Hi, here's everything I bought this time at Temu. And I usually buy a lot of cheaper items, but this time I decided to do a little bit more expensive, not too much. That was like $10 or $12, and this was like $8. So not super high end, but not the dollar price items. Though I did do a couple of dollar items for my cats. So let's dive into it, and actually let's just start with the cheapest item. My cat, they love these. Not this one actually in particular. I bought this one. It was one of my first ones. You pull it back here, and you have actually not this ball. It's a little felt type ball that goes in, and then you shoot it. But my one cat ends up eating the felt balls, so we then started doing these plastic ones, which I also bought from Temu, and you just kind of hold it as it shoots it. But it goes a little too fast, even with the felt balls, so they don't play with that one as much. They would like to, but it's just too fast for them and they can't see where it goes. But these, with the little flying discs, is their favorite toy. The very first one I bought was this one, and for some reason the shooting mechanism, I don't know where it went. I had it this morning, and now I can't find it. So this was the first one we bought, and it came with like 4 or 5 of these. We've missing some. This is like the only one that's not broken. I think it was because we just recently found it. It was lost for a while. It works wonderfully, but they do break. I mean, it's kind of a little, it's sturdy, but not the best, because let me show you this. So this is the one I just bought. You put it in and you kind of like, you squeeze it as you turn it, and then you shoot it. And my cat is like staring at me. I'm gonna have to play with her after this. Even just picking this up, she knew what it was and got really excited. But they have a heyday with playing with these. I'll add a video of that. She doesn't like the camera, so she did get a little shy when she saw that. So when I first saw that this was kind of flimsy, I saw this one and thought, oh, this is more robust, it'll hold up better. I did end up cracking this one because I stepped on it, but it does hold up well. But this thing, it doesn't, it's broken, it broke really fast, so I don't know if it was just a defective one. So that's why I went with this one, and this one really is shooting it. The one with this one started to slow down, but they're like $1, and it's my cat's favorite toy. She gets so excited. So I've bought a few of them, but they've been worth it. This and that little fish on a stick from Dollar Tree. Only that fish on a stick from Dollar Tree. They love those toys, and it's the fish on the stick that my other cat likes, Lily. This one's more Callie. Lily likes it, but is like, no, I can't compete with Callie. So Lily likes the fish on the stick, and she will actually bring it upstairs and downstairs depending where she is or where we are. It's so funny. You can always hear her coming because you just hear that stick dragging across the floor. Next is this Avocado kitchen tool. My mom had one of these, and it was the OXO brand. And I was like, no, I don't need another little gadget for avocados. And then I tried it. This piece to get the center, the seed out of the avocado. I don't know about you, but I am so messy with it. And this worked amazing. And when I saw this, I think it was 80 cents. Don't quote me on that though. I was like, oh no, it can't be the same thing. I have to get it and try it. It feels exactly the same. I almost paid $9 for the brand that she had. So I'm so glad I saw this one first. And this is the knife, and I mean, it's sharp. It doesn't cut you. It's like those kid ones, but it'll cut the skin right off. I've never had a lot of luck with these. This part just was so-so to me, but maybe if you use it and know how to use it, that would be better. But this works really well. I did try it kind of on a mushier avocado, and it still did it, but it wasn't quite as good as the very first one I ever tried it on. So I think it will depend a little bit on how mushy your avocado is, because it does need a little bit of stability. So maybe if I kept my hand there and then twisted it, that would have been better. But if you eat avocados, I eat them all the time. This is actually one of those gadgets you should get. I think this here, sticking to the desk, I have some rugs and maybe even use it for my cables. It is clear double-sided sticky tape, and it is really sticky. I like that it's clear too, and it's a whole roll of it. Lot cheaper than buying the ones that actually come for a rug, so I'm gonna put it on my rug and see how it works. But it's just kind of fun to play with though too. So I might do it for cables, I'm not sure at all, but I don't know, it was kind of fun. And yeah. Next, we'll go with these. Since we moved, I'm redoing. I actually have a craft room now, not just the hallway, so it's fantastic, but everything is a mess and all over the place. Maybe one day I will actually show you my craft room and show you how I organize what worked and what didn't. So you probably have heard of those calyx cubes from IKEA. I like them because they're longer than a typical cube. It's a 14 deep and then 12 by 12 in the front, where normal cubes just 12 by 12 all the way around. So a little extra is kind of nice, just a little extra storage, but not necessary. And so to fill my little cube space, well, that is way too big. I got some totes, and I decided to put these on the totes, and they just clip right onto the handle right there, and you can slide them off and on. And I'm going to label them. It says a whiteboard kind of type, so you're supposed to write on it and then erase it off if you need to change it. I was afraid that it might wipe off too much, too easily with how much I was grabbing it. Plus, my handwriting's not the best. So I'm gonna use my Cricut and make a label for it, and then if I need to, I can remove that label. So you could use removable vinyl. I am going to, I think, do a sticker, print then cut sticker, and put them on all of my labels here. So I got a bunch of those, and I need to count to see. I think I might need some more. We'll have to see how many's there and how many labels and how I like them, but so far I think I really like that, and it fits my cubes really well. This here is just really pretty jar. I saw it, I want to say it was $8, and I just could not pass it up. And it is gorgeous. Anything with flowers, trees, birds, and metal, I'm sold. And I really like the wood top. I mean, it's gorgeous. Not 100% sure what I will put in this, but I couldn't find it anywhere else. I even looked Amazon and like Google searches, and I'm good at searching. I think it's a Temu exclusive right now. So they had a couple different sizes. This was the medium size. And yeah, the flowers, they are a thin metal, so they can easily be bent, and when they came they were flat, so I just very carefully kind of bent them to shape. Same with the inside pieces here, so just know that you might just need to carefully fluff it up a little bit when you get it, but I love it. This is definitely my favorite piece. And then the last item is a cookie kitchen gadget But I liked this because it also had piping tips. For Christmas, my sister-in-law made, these are called spritz cookies. There's all the different ones it can make. It even came with instructions. And I liked that it was like metal, it looks robust. And then it came, the metal. They're a little bit of a rough cut metal, but it should work fine. And that will go on the front. And then you squeeze your dough out, and then you make your cookie. You can pull that back, and that's how you put it in here. And then it also comes with piping tips, so you can do icing in this. So that'll go in there, and then you put your tip on, and then you can make it tight, and so it doesn't come off. So when I do those beautiful fake copy hot chocolate mug faces, with all that whipped cream on top, and every time the bag explodes on me, it will not do that now. Although I don't know if I want, I think I want to keep this as a cooking one. I don't think I want to use it for that. But that would be fantastic for that. So if you do those a lot, I would recommend this. So that way your piping bags don't explode on you. So I'm excited to give this a shot. But yeah, that is everything I bought this time at Temu. I'm really happy with everything I purchased and excited to try things out. Please let me know down below which item you like the best, which one you might get, what you think of Temu, anything like that. And also let me know, do you like just this top-down approach, or do you like seeing my beautiful face? I thought this is kind of nice. You can see the items a little bit up close. But let me know all those things down below. And if you liked it, don't forget to also give it a thumbs up. And all the links for all these, if you're interested, will also be down below. Thanks. Bye.